Everybody, it's Sunday, so it is Ask Dave a Question. So I had another question from a follower, and she asked, she's like, Dave, is there some sort of protocol or some sort of scenario in which there's some follow-up for open houses? I guess she went to see an open house with her husband. They're mixed race, and she's like, did they not call me back because they didn't think we were because we were mixed race, or is it because they didn't think we were going to afford it? Honestly, it's hard to tell because every agent does an open house a different way. We usually do open houses, believe it or not, for our own personal gain. I know it sounds bad. We do it to showcase the home, yes, and we promote it. That's the main reason why we do it. But the other reason why agents want to do open houses is that we know buyers are coming to the home, and it's a good opportunity that in case they don't like this home, we can show other homes to them, and we can gain a client. So that's the idea. So who knows, for this person, maybe they weren't good at their job and following up and seeing if you like the property. Maybe they didn't want any other clients, who knows? Maybe they were just doing a favor for somebody. Maybe they were new. So it's hard to say, for me, when I do open houses, I can tell if somebody's really interested. We follow up with an email, say, and we give them all of the documentation. And if that person's interested, they send us back. I try not to harass people. That's not my thing. And I don't add them to any lists. But again, it's hard to tell. I don't know the other person that did that open house. So unfortunately, we don't know that. But when you're hiring an agent, ask them what their protocol is.